Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Bella.
Hello, Bella. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is drawing.
What's your favorite subject?
Is my favorite subject is music
Why?
because I want to be music teacher.
Very good. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October.
What do you want to drink?
I want some lemonade.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken.
What do you do on Saturday?
I, s- I study at home.
What do you do on Monday?
I study at school.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5:40.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school 6:45.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6 o'clock.
And what time do you go to bed?
I go to I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Where is your school?
My school is in the village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at your school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is one computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Wednesday?
I have I have English and PE.
What do you do at the weekend?
I is at the zoo.
Okay. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What can you do?
I do ride a bike.
Okay. Can you do anything more?
I can ride a bike.
Okay. What can your mother do?
I can.
What can she do, your mother?
She can play the piano.
What can your father do?
He can play guitar.
What does your sister do?
I she she can play. She can ride a horse.
Okay. What do you do on Tuesday?
I I have English and Vietnamese.
Okay. When do you have art?
I I have it on Tuesday.
Okay. When is your sports day?
It's December.
Where were you last summer?
I was Tokyo.
Nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3.